Now let's have a look at the first fundamental contradiction, fundamental engineering contradiction, which is faced very commonly in the design of moving systems. That is increasing the weight of an object, a moving object, in this case a car, increasing the weight of a car reduces its top speed, reduces the maximum speed which it can attain. So this is a very fundamental law of physics. So if you're increasing the weight of a moving object, the inertia will increase. Hence the force required to move it will increase. For the same power, the speed will reduce. So then how can we solve this problem? Of course, there are many ways of dealing with this problem. Some ways are listed over here using the TRIZ principles to demonstrate how TRIZ can be used to solve problems derived from contradictions. So one way of solving the problem is making the torque and power dynamic. Instead of having it fixed, it can be increased or decreased based on the weight of the car. So that is just one of the solution, or one of the possible solution which can be used. The next one is using spheroidality or curvature as a principle. So we have seen curvature as a principle, adding curves at the front of the car or making the car streamlined, more aerodynamic will reduce the drag, reduce the air resistance on the car, and hence it can reach higher speed. So this is the use of TRIZ principle, spheroidality or curvature in solving this contradiction. The next one is local quality. By increasing or improving the local quality of various components of a car. For example, using low resistance tires. So tires have rolling resistance, inherent rolling resistance, which basically limit the speed which a vehicle can reach. If you are reducing the resistance of the tire, then this will counteract the increase in weight, and hence the vehicle will be able to reach higher speed for the higher weight with low resistance tires. So this is local quality. You are changing or improving the quality of a local object in the larger product. Again, to clarify, these are not very specific or the most clear-cut solutions for solving this contradiction. They are just to give a guiding principle, just to get started with solving the problem. And how TRIZ principles are being used to solve a contradiction. This is just to demonstrate that. Similar to what we have done here, you can try brainstorming more engineering principles or more TRIZ principles which can be used to solve this engineering contradiction. This will be a very interesting and fun exercise, and really you will be able to exercise your brain on how to use this TRIZ framework or methodology to solve these contradictions, solve these design challenges. It's a really interesting and fun exercise to do.